Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access Accounts. Following that, click on Google under Passwords and click on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Now enter your current login method and last but not least, select this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!